Hello there, welcome to Lecture 9, where we'll have a look at the conceiving process of our own game, which I called GoHippoGo, step by step. So, how does one get to a new game concept? A new revolutionary idea? Maybe when having a shower or when going to sleep, who knows? But the really important thing is that you just don't forget it because it may look rather complex at first glance, or just because you are too lazy to feed up that idea letting it grow up. Once upon a time, I had an idea. A revolutionary kind of game where the player moved a flying hippo whose only objective was floating around the screen, popping some sort of colored bubbles. Now it's time to turn this cool idea into reality. To start off with, I decided to sketch some of the game screen that came to my mind. This is the first step you should do in the process of conceiving your own game. The main menu may look something like this. As you can see, the GoHippoGo title at the top, then some decoration, maybe the face of your hippo showing up here in the foreground, and then 4 buttons under it: the thanks button, play button, exit button, and how to play button. Okay. Now the thanks menu, the acknowledgements menu. It is a good idea to include the thanks menu in your game so that you recognize and thanks all those people who helped you in your way to create your own game. The how to play menu. This looks like the last menu. Okay, it's very similar to it. But instead of people, you put here rules. Okay, what are the rules of your game? So that you let users, players, know what are the rules of your game. And finally, the game itself. Okay, here we have, as you can see, our hippo that is floating around. Whenever you touch a point in your screen, it will move toward that point. So, we also have the bubbles appearing at the right edge of your mobile device. Here we have the pause button if you have to go to pee, for example, and the hills, okay, and the clouds that we will do in Photoshop, okay. So the genre is casual. The target audience, maybe it's 7 years old and older. The game perspective, 2D. The game title, GoHippoGo. As you can see here, GoHippoGo is an original, friendly, descriptive, easy to remember, and easy to find name. Well, an easy to remember is not an easy to find name. Okay, for example, if we change this game title to just Hippo, that could be an easy to remember name, couldn't it? But it wouldn't be an easy to find name, because if you go to the Play Store and put Hippo, you will most likely find a lot of games including that name. But if you put GoHippoGo without any spaces between those words, there will not be any games at all with that name, okay? So, that's it. Profitability of your game. This will be a free game, but you can make it a paid game or even a freemium game or a game including advertisements if you want to. Well, it's up to you. The device orientation, it will be landscape. Okay, this would be a very complicated game to play in portrait mode, so we'll play like this. Okay, here will be our hippo, and here will appear at the right edge of the mobile will be appearing all of those colored bubbles. Okay, fine. The game concept: a lithe and brave hippo that enjoys popping countless hordes of colored bubbles. Our hippo knows that 1. He has to move to wherever the player taps. 2. He has to move even faster to wherever the player double taps. 3. Blue bubbles will give him 1 point. 4. 3 bubbles will give him 2 points. 5. Green bubbles will take him out 3 points. Finally, green bubbles will directly kill him. Okay, those are the rules of our game. You can design your own rules if you want to. Okay, fine. Our conceiving process took us just less than 5 minutes because this is a very simple game, but As the complexity of the game increases, so does the conceiving phase, taking up even several weeks to complete in the case of really complex games. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks you for watching and see you in the next lecture.